where the hurricane came through, and you can see like snow plowing, moving of the sand around people's driveways. It was worse down the other section, it seemed like. Over here it doesn't seem so bad. Well, actually, look at that. It's just like, whoa, there's a truck. They're doing some work. But you can see where they've shoveled and moved sand around like it was snow, but it's not snow. It's just sand. All washed in from the storm surge. It's what happens in Florida in the hurricanes. You get storm surge.